Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I cannot believe we're finished with June, and this will be my last favorites video in this little townhome. We are moving back to Dallas, so let's wrap up my June favorites. So you guys know the drill. I love just kind of having one spot where I talk to you guys about all the things I've been loving this month. I talk about so much new stuff on my channel all the time, whether it's my vlog channel or here, and I just kind of like one spot to kind of have it all in one place and just talk about my favorite things with you guys because you're my best friends and I love sharing with you things that I love. Maybe you're interested in picking something up, or maybe you just enjoy watching. I don't know, I enjoy watching them. So without further ado, let's jump in. I was wondering though if you guys are, since most of my videos are fashion related, do you guys still like when I mix in like beauty and random things into my favorites, or do you want me to just focus on fashion? Let me know in the comments. Also, my hair is just like voluminous today, so almost too voluminous. Such is life. Yeah, so let me know in the comments down below, but I'm gonna start with fashion now, and then we'll transition through makeup and then my random bits, but everything will be linked down below for you guys to check out if you're curious. Let's start with shoes and accessories and whatnot. Wow, I just realized how bent up my hat was. Okay, so if you've been watching my spring outfits, summer, or not spring, we are in summer, girl. Well, technically we're still in spring, and tell me why it is 97 degrees here in Illinois, but we are in spring still. Anywho, it feels like summer, okay? So this little hat I ordered over the month, like earlier this month / end of the previous month. It's just a little red polo hat. I feel like I have a lot of baseball caps that are like New York Yankees, LA Dodgers, like just that kind of thing, where I wanted just a basic, simple baseball cap, and I love this one. I love that I can wear this with dresses, and it's just very easy to kind of style, and I love the red with the navy pop. So I've been wearing this a ton in my little fashion videos. It's just a basic, it's got like the polo written on the back here. So it's a Polo Ralph Lauren hat, and I love this. I'm honestly contemplating getting other colors, like maybe like a blue or something like that, but I love this red hat. And I think baseball caps, even though trucker hats I know are very in right now, I still feel like a baseball cap is perfect to wear to the pool, wear to the park, wear on walks, and just elevate an outfit so much. It like elevates it in a casual way, but also in a way that's like a put together outfit because it's an extra step. And if you feel weird wearing baseball caps, believe me, I know that feeling at first, but the more you wear them, the more comfortable you will get. And if you don't know what I mean by you feel weird, then girl, you don't feel it. So keep doing you, okay? Next up are these little sandals. I've shown these a million times in all of my different fashion videos, but I truly have worn the heck out of these, and I'm so happy that I picked these up. These are from Zara. I'm not sure if they still have them. If they do, I will link them. If not, Cezanne has ones very similar to this, but basically I used to be obsessed with Birkenstocks. I did a full summer shoe video though, I will throw up in the cards, but I used to be obsessed with Birkenstocks, and I still love them, and I still wear them, and I just bought a new pair recently, but I love how this just elevates the Birkenstock sandal. It's kind of very similar to that with the just easy slide on ability, but it's elevated because it's got the gold buckles and it's leatherette. I love these. Fit true to size for me, and I just feel like they've elevated any outfit that I would have previously thrown on with Birkenstocks. These just do everything for me. So if you are on the look or on the hunt for like kind of an elevated sandal but still very comfortable, if you're a Birkenstock girl, check these out. I don't think you will regret your decision. I'm obsessed with them. I don't know why I touch the bottom of my shoes all the time, but yes, have been loving these little Zara slides so much this past month. I can't with this hair. Who is she? She is just voluminous to the gods. Okay. I've got 3 clothing items. You guys have seen these a million times because I style them so much. These are my Zara. They're called balloon pants, but they are, or balloon jeans. They're basically a barrel jean, but they're not as like in your face, I feel like, as some barrel jeans, and I love them. I was surprised at how much I love them. I bought them thinking, oh girl, you're probably gonna try them and then return them, like you're not gonna love them, but I absolutely love them. They're the most comfortable jeans I've ever put on my body, and I love the shape that they give me. It's a unique style. I used to feel like I'm such a jeans girl. I'm really a jeans girl, and so I used to feel like in the past, like I just had to get like basic styles that were classic and timeless and all of that. But then I started realizing you wear jeans all the time, so it's okay to have fun styles to kind of elevate your wardrobe. And I'm so happy that I found the balloon jeans. I've been wearing them a ton. I'll insert some pictures of me wearing them and styling them. I've had so much fun styling them, and I actually got another pair in white because I love them so much. So if you guys have been on the fence of trying them, but you're a jean girl, try them and just see what you think about them. I swear if you do like a more fitted top or like tucked in with jeans or anything like, or with like a belt and some nice sandals, it's just a really cute, put together but basic outfit. You're just wearing jeans, but you look so much more elevated because they're a fashionable kind of jean. Moving along to denim, continuing with denim I guess, is this little lights denim button. Now I got this one from Express, and I don't know the last time I shopped on Express. I don't think I've ever ordered anything online on Express, but I was on the hunt for a denim button-up that didn't look Western, okay? Because I feel like denim button-ups can look very Western. I have a dark denim I love. I wanted to find like a vintage polo light denim shirt. And the crazy thing is Scott just cleaned out his closet because we're in the process of moving, and he found one. So now I have two because he didn't want it and he was gonna give it away, and I was like, no, I will take that. I love light blue denim button-ups, so I have two now. But I wanted one with no pockets on the front because I feel like the pockets can give kind of Western vibes. So Express was one that I found. The other one that I found after I found this one when I was trying to link for you guys was Levi has one, and I wish I would have gotten the Levi one, honestly, but the Express one is awesome. I love these with boxer shorts. I love them with linen shorts. I think it's just a different texture because you guys know I'm a button-up girl, like linen button-ups, cotton button-ups, stripes, checkered, colored, white, whatever, you name it. So when I found this in this kind of like chambray, but light chambray, because I have a dark chambray or a medium wash chambray that I've worn the heck out of, I knew that I wanted this, and I just think this looks so good with any kind of bottom. So I'm so happy that I got this. And yeah, if you're on the hunt, I would check out the Levi one. Honestly, I feel like this one was more expensive. I did get it on some kind of sale, but either one are a great option. They're lightweight, but they still have like some hold to them. They're not like papery thin, if that makes sense. Or this one specifically is not papery thin. It gives very much the same like style and look as a light blue denim or a light blue button up, but it's got that different texture, which I really enjoy. Last but not least for clothing is, ooh, almost fell off, is this little linen white dress. I got this from Quince. I've worn this like 3 or 4 times this month, which is a lot for me because I'm not a dress girl. All you guys know that, but I've styled this a couple different ways. I wore it out to a like a weekend event thing, and I'm obsessed with this. It is 100% linen. If you've not checked out Quince, they make great pieces at like a fraction of the price. I'll throw my recent Quince haul up in the cards. It's so good. But this linen dress it's gonna be my favorite this summer. I'm obsessed with it. If you have not checked out Quince, I definitely recommend them for like any basics that are high quality. Think like Madewell, think Everlane. Think basically just a luxury price point or a luxury item at a reduced price point because it's not like name brand. Think store brand, okay? Think like if you go to Target and you're getting Band-Aids, like getting the store brand Band-Aids, it's so much cheaper than getting the Band-Aids brand. Think about that when you're thinking of Quince. It's good. Okay, I had to switch my hair because this hair is doing nothing for me today. Let's move on to beauty though. I do have a few beauty products that I've been loving this month. Let's start with this lip product. It's the one I actually have on my lips right now. It is the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Vinyl. I know everyone like raves about the Tarte lip products. I'm not really a Tarte fan. I mean, I was obsessed with the Shape Tape for a really long time, but as I've aged, it's just too drying for my skin. So when I saw this on someone, I don't remember who, I purchased it from the Sephora haul or sale, and it is so good. It is so like juicy. It's kind of like a gloss balm. It is beautiful. I love this color. It's in the color Sheer Lotus. There's nothing sheer about it, I feel like. It's a pretty like cool tone pink, and I really like this. The thing you have to be careful about this is like an inside lip product. You don't really want to bring this in your car or anything like that because it will melt. It's very like coconut oilish, but I'm obsessed with this. So if you haven't checked out their Juicy Lips, specifically in the lip vinyl, so glossy, so beautiful, obsessed. Not sticky, but kind of thick where it stays on your lips, which I really enjoy. The next makeup product is this little Merit brush. They sent this over to me. I really do like a lot of Merit products, but specifically their eyebrow pomade. I love, what else do I love from there? Their cream blushes, and I have their foundation stick. It's in the wrong color, so I need to get my right color. That's more of my like winter color, but I finally got their brush, which I have been wanting forever. I feel like it's always sold out. I'm not sure what this is, but it's their only like foundation brush. I use this for liquids, for creams, for anything. It's so good. I like how dense and compact it is, and I also really like the like component of this. I just think it's cute, like the Merit. It's really sleek. But I like how easy this is. I can use it for concealer if I really need to. Use it for just everything. It really seamlessly brushes everything out and blends everything out, and I feel like Merit can do no wrong. They just have really great products. So if you're looking for a good foundation brush, I would definitely recommend the Merit one. Again, it works good with like their stick cream foundation, but it also works really good with liquids. You can use it pretty much for anything. I wouldn't necessarily say powder, but you could blend in cream bronzer and stuff like that with it. I love. Okay, so we all know I can't stop touching my hair, and the reason I have so much freaking volume, I did my hair as a blowout last night and slept on it. The reason I have so much volume is because of this guy. I've always been a Kenra hair girl. My mom was obsessed with Kenra when I was younger, but their Platinum line specifically has been just doing everything for me. So this is their thickening mousse, density plumping mousse. I have a lot of hair, but I have very thin hair, okay? So it can just look flat and not have volume, but are you seeing this volume? I have so much volume. I'm obsessed with this. I use this before I do my shark. I will put it on my roots, and then I will also run it down my ends just to kind of keep that like style. I don't get a super curly blowout because of the length of my hair, but also just because I just prefer like a voluminous bouncy blowout and not necessarily curls. So this will like hold my shape and through the humidity and whatnot, but I love this stuff. I was using the Big Sexy Hair one, and I just prefer this one a lot more. I feel like it gives me a lot of volume in my hair, but doesn't feel like thick and sticky in my hair, if that makes sense. Obsessed. And if you're looking for a good mousse and you have like thin hair and you want it to feel like more dense, check that guy out. Okay, last but not least is a skincare product. This is the Dermalogical Milky Daily Milk Foliant. I feel like I've been using a lot of chemical exfoliants for years, and I still love them, but I wanted to try something that was a bit different. I used to love the Tatcha rice polish, but I wanted to try Dermalogica. I feel like I've tried a couple things from them, but not that much. And when they released this, it's their Daily Calming Oat Based Powder Exfoliant. What you do is it's a powder, but you don't put the powder granules on your face. You mix it with water and it becomes like this froth, and it just, like, it is chemical exfoliant because I believe it has like PHAs in it. But I like it because it's not too harsh. So like if I'm feeling like my skin is just kind of like congested, but it's not feeling like strong enough to withstand some of my stronger chemical exfoliants, you know, those times where you're just feeling like you need to give your skin like an exfoliation, but a gentle one. This has been my go-to. I picked this up earlier this month and I have been loving it. I have never tried the original ones, but when I saw this one's like a skin barrier, like moisturizing kind of exfoliator, I was like, yes, this sounds exactly like what I need when my skin is kind of just like not its strongest, but also needs like some congestion removal. This has been a go-to and I've been loving it. I feel like the little bottle will be perfect for me for testing it out, and then if I want the bigger one, I can buy the bigger one. It's not cheap, but you don't need much to make a froth. Do not go into it like you need a paste in your hand and you're like physically exfoliating. You kind of like rub it together into a foam, and then it's a gentle chemical exfoliant, but you do sometimes get a little bit of grain, so it is still a little bit physical, but it's gentle enough to use daily, so I feel really good. I don't use it daily, but I feel good when my skin barrier is just kind of like I go for that and I love it. That is it for beauty. Let's move on to my final random favorite, which is, okay, if you're a wine drinker, but you're not like a wine drinker, okay, like you like a glass maybe once a week at home, like nothing crazy. Or maybe you make a nice dinner and you wish that you could like open a bottle of red wine or something like that to have with it, but you aren't like trying to get drunk on a Tuesday. You know what I mean? This was my Mother's Day gift and I'm obsessed with this. I don't even know what the heck the name of this is. It's a Corvin. It's amazing, okay? I used to have those pump wine cork things. Okay, it sucked the air out, but it didn't preserve a bottle of wine. We've had this bottle open for a while now. This was like a $40 bottle of wine, which is expensive for me, girl. But this thing seals off your wine. So it does a couple things. First, you put this little like cap in here and then you stick this into the bottle. The bottom of this has like an air in it. I believe it's like a gas. I don't know exactly what kind of gas it is, but it basically preserves the wine, because while you're pouring your wine, the gas in here is going into here and creating like a pressurized gas, so that way your wine doesn't spoil and you can keep wine open for a while with this little device. The other thing is this is like an aerator, so you don't have to if you don't want to, but it kind of, what do I want to say? Decants your wine. It kind of like aerates your wine to make it taste better when you're first pouring your first glass. So you press this little button on the side and hold the bottle at a 45-degree angle, and it like comes out like a shower head, and when you take it out and put the cap back on, it's sealed off and it's really good to go. So I love that, because I was somebody who felt like I would be like, oh, I want just like a glass of wine, but I don't want to open the whole bottle because I'm not going to drink it all even in the next like 2-3 days, and it would go bad, and there's no worse feeling than throwing away wine. So I love this. It is kind of pricey, but not nearly as pricey as you think about when you either decide you have to get drunk on a Tuesday or just have a glass of wine, you know? So, or waste the whole bottle, you know what I mean? So I have been loving this thing way more than I could have ever imagined. Like literally best Mother's Day gift ever. It's something I would never buy for myself, but it's literally amazing. So I definitely think this would be a great gift for anyone if you have someone in your life that likes to drink wine, or if you just simply like to drink wine but don't want to drink an entire bottle in a week or like a couple days before it goes like, you know what I mean? Ugh, gross. That thing's a lifesaver. Highly recommend. All right, you guys, that's it. That's all my June favorites. I feel like I was real rambly in this video, but I had a lot of really good stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I cannot believe that June is over. We are halfway through 2024. Like, what the heck? That is insane. Yeah, so yeah, this is the last favorites video in this apartment. It's not my last video because I will have pre-filmed for the next week before I get settled in and all that in Dallas, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for spending the last 2 years of favorites in Illinois with me, and I'll see you in Dallas. Bye, you guys.